All right. Sorry. Oh, flies! There's flies!
Excuse me, I can't take this fresh air, man. I'm used to the garbage can at the International Hotel.
Lorna, don't sign nothing unless I check. I can't write. I never signed nothing.
In ieder geval op Les Mis.
She took on a few of your more charming personality traits for a while. But we lived through it.
You know,
No, I know. It tastes terrible.
Well, it was very...
Ever belonged to...